This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes to the home screen on this device. So to start, you will need to hold anywhere at the home screen, then open widgets, find the keep notes widgets over here, and then select either note collection or a single note widget. Then hold it and drag it to your home screen. Let me quickly disable this note, get rid of it. So as I was saying, you will need to find the keep notes section and choose to drag whatever particular widget you like more and drop it somewhere. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.